How to label AI generated content on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and as you do that, you can select any pictures or video modes. I'm simply gonna make a video just to show you as an example. But if you are creating or label AI generated content on TikTok, you need to have AI generated picture or videos. So this is just for an example, and as you click view video, you can just tap on the check mark, make necessary edits over here. As you do that, you can just tap on next again. Here you can add descriptions. Now, in order to label AI generated content, simply tap on more options at the bottom of the screen. Here, scroll down and you can see the option of AI generated content. So you just have to toggle this on, and as you do that, you'll be able to label AI generated content on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.